Choose front plane, sketch, normal, select line, left click on origin point and drag a little bit. Make sure line should be horizontal. Escape button. Click on line. Make it for construction. Okay. Again choose line. Left click on origin point. Drag a little bit. Escape. Choose small dimension. Click on line and click on construction line. Drag a little bit. Add a dimension and type 20 mm. Enter. Add a dimension. Make dia 60 mm. Enter. 100 mm. Enter. Sixty mm. Enter. Twenty mm. Enter. Now define length. So here to here. 80 mm. Press enter. Choose smart dimension. 40 mm. Press enter. Here to here 40 mm. And from here to here 80 mm. All over length is 300 mm. Press enter. Now our sketch is fully defined. Okay. Exit sketch. Go to feature tab. Choose revolve boss base command. Press yes. As a axis, choose construction line and press OK. So now our sketch is completely converted into 3D model. Choose chamfer. .5 mm. Press enter. Select all edges. Press OK. Choose fillet. Keep radius 1.5 mm. Press enter. Select all corners. So now our model is completely ready. So let's define some material and colors. Go to material, right click on material, edit material, and assign 1045 steel. Type 1045 ASI 1045 steel, apply and close. So finally material is applied, and click on part, right click on part, go to appearance, assign some colors. Press OK. Looking good.